Do not wait. This home is located in the well-kept community of Tuscany Bay, in the most growing area of Tampa Bay. This community is maintenance-free, no C.D.D and LOW H.O.A, has a lot to offer: gated community, pool, barbecue picnic area, walking sidewalks, the lawn care, exterior maintenance, basic cable, water, sewer and trash is included. The Riesling floor plan from Highland Homes offers plenty of room and space. Downstairs you will find the open floor plan featuring a large kitchen counter overlooking the living and dining room leading to the screen lanai. Perfect for entertainment. Make your way upstairs where all the oversized bedrooms are located. The master being the largest room featuring an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. You will be surprised by the space and the amount of storage offers. Located on the edge of GIBSONTON and Apollo Beach, Tuscany Bay is conveniently located minutes away from main retailers, restaurants and activities. Easy access to main highways 41, 301, I-75. You can make your way to Tampa, St. Pete, Sarasota and to